What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, we're gonna get right into it, man. If you guys seen the title, you guys know what time it is. It is time to get this show on the road. Yeah, it's been a while, but everything I get, I don't post online, man. Some stuff is just like, it's not worthy enough for YouTube, but we're gonna keep you rocking. We're gonna get this show going. Let's get to it, man. If you hear my background, you see what's going on. Now, of course, I got the LASIK, but I'm about to try out these Ray-Ban Metas today and see how it's gonna work for me. But here we are at the auction, IAA. We're gonna get this show on the road. I can't wait, man. We got a new 2024 Road Glide with a clean title. The front end is pretty whooped, but judging on what we did before, we should be able to come out on top with this one again, man. So we're gonna see how this bike look when it come out and hope for the best, man. Hopefully everything is not as bad as it looks and it's just like really body parts, man. So with that being said, if you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like the video, comment, and let me know where you're tuning in from. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, man. Meanwhile, it's time to go. Yeah, I got the trailer right here ready to go. I'm about to get everything set up because we only got a few cars left, but it's up, man. I'll catch up with y'all in a second. Meanwhile, it has been a little time, man. You guys know the last Road Glide we got, the black 2019, I believe it was. We got rid of that one, but now it's time for the next big thing, man. We got another 2024 Road Glide. We scored this one yesterday. We're gonna see how this thing works out. Like I said, it is a clean title, and let's just hope for the best here, man. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide with the oohs and the ahs. Alrighty, 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide with the oohs and the ahs. Let's go. Let's go. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Have a good day. No problem. Let's go. Let's go. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Have a good day. No problem. Alrighty, guys, here we have it, 2024 Road Glide. What it got? Shark Road. I'm gonna switch over to the camera. Alrighty, guys, here we go. 2024 Road Glide. The oohs and the ahs. They like, where the oohs at? All I see is a whole lot of ahs, but it's all good, man. Front end looks like we have some fork damage. Gonna have to get fork legs, new inner fairing, new outer fairing, fairing support bracket. It looks like all the connectors are there, no big deal there. Of course, the best part about this is we do have our radio. It doesn't seem to be cracked or nothing like that. And then we do have the keys. We actually got two sets of keys, man. So besides the front end, of course, you got the crash bar. Looked like the gas tank took a little hit, no big deal there, little ooh-wop. Little tequila kick. Chrome. The chrome might look good. I don't know if I want to keep it chrome. We're gonna have to see what we want to do. Sorry, no hablo fortardo. Okay. So they had some heat. I'm pretty confident, man. They might have had some heat on this bike. We're gonna have to see what's up when we get back to the crib, but from the back end, everything looked good. From the back end, everything looked good, man. Of course, 2024. And then we do have a Screaming Eagle air breather. Clutch cable is done. Like I said, we're gonna need a new crash bar, no big deal there. The main thing here is gonna be the front end. And then let me see. We got this seat right here. We can save that seat because I don't want to lose that in the wind. But everything else is pretty much here, man. I can't wait. We're gonna see how this thing work out. I'm about to get this thing strapped down. Golly, I didn't even get up here. Sheesh. I didn't even get up here. All right. So we're gonna need new bars. The bars are completely sawed off or came, oh yeah, no, they broke off, clear off. At least we got the hand controls. We got one hand control. We're gonna have to find another one. I might have one hand control at home, but look like they have some cool little levers and stuff on here. No big deal. Does look pretty cool though, to say the least, man, besides the front end being a little damaged, man. So we're gonna get this thing strapped up and hit the road and try to get home and get this thing washed up and ready to go, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get this show on the road, man. Alrighty, man. Let's see if we can get this sucker strapped down. This thing is dirty as heck. I think it's more dirty than it is damaged. Y'all know, y'all see the dust out here just flying all day. So I already know this thing is gonna be what it is. It's like, let me not break the little gas tank wire, right? So shouldn't be too much of a difficult fix after you get the front end. I already sourced some fork legs. That was like the main part. I already sourced some fork legs. I got all the little stuff, crash bar, ordered the inner fairing and outer fairing already, just from what I've seen online. Like I said, I bought this bike sight unseen. So we didn't know what was wrong with it when we got it, but now it's here in our face. I guess this guy was shorter somewhere. They wanted the bike to sit up because I never seen that before in a bike where it's already sitting up type of thing. Never seen that on the kickstand. It's got like the bike sitting up, kind of lifted type. But this side, of course, like I said, whole new front end, no big deal there. We already know it was gonna be whooped. But like I said, it is a clean title, so it'll be worth putting back together, and we scored it at a pretty nice price, man. So pretty happy with that. Hopefully we can source the rest of the little parts, because that's what I found out with building these bikes, man. These new bikes, they're fun to have and fun to you know, get the way you want it, but trying to source a lot of these parts, you're gonna be paying an arm and a leg, man. So we're gonna see what we can do, and let's see if we can shop around, man. But all in all, does look good from the gas tank back. Only the front end is damaged, and it's not as bad as I thought. I thought the front wheel was cracked, and it looks like the front wheel may be in pretty good shape. So we're gonna see what's up. That one might snap. See what we got. I can't wait to get a wash on this thing. I ain't gonna hold you. A nice wash gonna turn this bike all the way around. Like right now, I know it looked like just a wreck, which of course it is, figurative speech, right? But once you put some water on this thing, you're gonna be able to see this paint, because right now it's looking great, but it's so much dirt out here. It's just literally covered in like just dust. Y'all know I just got my LASIK, man. My eyes got dust all in them. I'm trying to hurry up and get the heck on out of here. Beat traffic at that too. beat traffic at that too, man. So we gonna see. Man, I might need some new clickers now. That Big Daddy truck right there. He's sliding that thing, what, 2, 4, 6, 8 cars, golly. 8 whips. Yes, sir. It's about to be a movie. Did it the wrong way. Come over top like so. Damn. Y'all see here them F-16s up there though? I'm like, I knew I wasn't tripping. We must be by the naval base. We must be by the naval base. I can do magic. I can do magic. I know a lot of people looking at this bike like, damn, bro, what you really think you gonna do with that thing? All right, man, she all loaded up, strapped down, ready to go. We got the F-16s in the sky back there somewhere. But can't wait to get back home, watch this thing up. And it's gonna be a movie. I'll catch you guys at the house, man. Let's go.